Hello everyone, welcome you all to the English online class. This is Sindhu David, your English teacher. In today's session, we will learn one of the writing skills, that is article writing. So let's start today's class. Let us learn first what is an article. An article is a non-fiction prose writing meant for newspapers and magazines. It describes any particular incident or discuss a theme or a social concern. It usually describes author's personal opinions. Here non-fiction means real or true. What is the purpose of writing an article? An article is written to express personal opinion or to provide information on a variety of themes. Before writing the article, it is important to consider the following facts. First, where is the article going to appear? Second, who are the intended readers, target audience, like children, teenagers or general public. Third one, what is the aim of the article? Next, the style, language and level of the article should be kept in mind. Next, ideas should be carefully organized into paragraphs. And the next one, appropriate vocabulary and language should be used. Let's see the parts of an article. First is title, where we write heading of the article. It tells us what the article is about. Second is name of the writer or author. Third part of an article is body of the article. It has three parts. First, introduction. Second, main body, where we develop the ideas. And third is conclusion. Now we will see the three parts of the body of an article in detail. First part is introduction. An introduction which clearly defines the topic and keeps the reader's attention at the same time. It can include a slogan, a question, an amazing fact, a figure or a statement. Second part is main body. The main body, which can have two or more paragraphs, causes, effects and present state of affairs can be included in the main body. And the last part is conclusion. The conclusion, which should summarize and close the topic. It should include solution and conclusion. Let us see a sample article. Parents today are facing a major problem with their children. They waste most of their time on Facebook and other social networking sites, with the result that their studies and other important activities are neglected. Write an article on this issue, taking ideas from the hints. And the hints are: teenagers waste time, parents fear of the danger involved. Prose includes fast spread of information, source of news, solves crimes, helps students with academic work, improves relationships. Cons include spread of false information, students waste time, leads to stress, misunderstandings and arguments. Children develop self-centered personality, leads to loneliness and depression. Let's start writing an article by using the given hints. First, we start with the heading, pros and cons of social networking sites. Then writer name by Meera Sharma. We start the article with the introduction of the topic. First para, the introduction part. Social networking has today taken youth by storm. Teenagers go crazy over it and spend most of their time in socializing on these sites. At the same time, it has created worry among the parents of teenagers. Parents now fear the worst when they hear of ruined reputations, cybercrime, online predators, and other dangers. Now we will write the main part of the body. When we talk about the pros and cons, then there are always two sides of a coin. Let us take the positive aspect of networking first. Social networking sites spread information faster than any other media. These sites are the best source of news. These sites help solve crimes more quickly. The best advantage of social networking sites is for the students. They help a student to do better in school. They can easily discuss educational topics and assignments. Thus, they can score better grades in academics. It also improves relationships and increases friend circle. People can connect with their family and friends living abroad through Skype and email facilities. It helps to stay in touch with friends who cannot meet regularly. Now the next paragraph of the main body. Social networks helps to spread false and unreliable information which may harm groups, communities and even nations. Students waste time by playing games and socializing. Therefore, they tend to score lower grades in academics, which leads to stress, misunderstanding and arguments. Children spend less time in face-to-face interactions, and this leads to self-centered personalities and behavior. A person may suffer from loneliness, depression, anxiety and general distress. Now see the last part of an article, conclusion. To sum up, we can say that it is wise to tread carefully and be aware of the pros and cons before we indulge.